Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start now. With the system cold and pressure relieved, position a drain pan under the tank and loosen the cap slowly to avoid a pressure surge. Next, open the tank drain valve or disconnect the lowest hose. Let fluid run until flow slows. While it drains, inspect hoses and clamps for cracks or corrosion so you can replace them if needed. Once drained, pinch the inlet briefly to prevent backflow and wipe the tank exterior to remove grime before proceeding to now focus on the interior. Pour 1 to 2 liters of clean water or a recommended flush solution into the tank through the fill neck. Agitate vigorously, shake, tap, or use a hand pump so sediment breaks loose. For boilers, run a system flush with bypass open to circulate cleaning fluid. Pour out the dirty water and repeat until the runoff is clear. If scale or sludge persists, use a narrow bottle brush to scrub reachable areas. Then rinse thoroughly to remove all residue. Finish by reattaching hoses and secure clamps, then refill to the specified mark with the correct coolant mix or treated water. Start the engine or fire the boiler to operating temperature and bleed trapped air using bleed valves until a steady stream appears. Make sure pressure stabilizes at the recommended value. If you notice continued leaks, hissing, or rapid pressure loss, the internal diaphragm is likely compromised. Shut down and replace the expansion tank rather than retrying a clean. That's the one key troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.